Hey, I want to take just a minute and give you a little introduction to how to use this new cool tool in Moodle for doing course evaluations. So your students could give you anonymous feedback for your course, and you'd study, and it has built-in analytics, so you can see trends and things like that. It's really cool and very easy to use. So start out, if you're logged in as a teacher, go up here to edit mode, which will let you add new tools. I always close this little sidebar just because I like the space more. Go down to add an activity or resource, and then you want to look for the tool that says feedback. It might be back here in the resources, activities. Yeah, it'll be under activities. I have it starred so that I can get to it easily. But you want the feedback tool. You type it like student evaluations, semester 1. Something like that. You can write in a description if you want to. Thanks for your feedback. The answers are anonymous. Something like that. And then you'll want to make it available at the end of the semester, usually for about a week before the term ends. So for me, that would be, let's see, from, about, let's say the 12th until, enable this here. Come on, there we go. Sorry, 12th until the 19th. After the submission, I don't want to show the analysis there. I would do a little message like, thank you. After they've completed, go down to activity completion, and here you probably want to mark it so that it will only show up that the students have done this if they view the activity and they complete it, and then save and display. Now that inserts the tool. You still have to add questions, so you can go to edit questions, and you can add questions manually if you want. But I've already created a template since I'm going to do this in a lot of my classes. So I'll go to Use Template. And down here, you'll see there's a class evaluation for elementary. I'll use the one for high school. It shows you the questions, spaces for feedback. This is what the form will look like to the students. Use this template. When you're done, like you don't want all of your courses forever, probably in one form, so I would delete old items, but that's your choice. And then you're done. And if you go back here to language and composition, you test it out, the students' evaluations are there. And since I'm the teacher, it says I already did this, but you'll be able to go in and answer it. So hope this helps, and let's try it.